What's good, guys? We are doing a little trucking experience with Jake here. Howdy. Howdy, howdy.
What's going on? We are delivering a load of slag, which is like the byproduct of melting metal. It's like a really fluffy white powder. We're delivering that up to Elk Garden, West Virginia, which is a mountain town. They're building windmills on top of the mountains, and slag is used in making cement. About 25 tons of slag.
Shout it out, buddy.
E-Brake Jake, Instagram, YouTube, you can find me there.
So we are now pulling up to the silos where they store the slag. Another trucker's leaving. It's good. And we're gonna see what's up with loading this deal.
Job. Somebody's got to do it. I ordered one sausage patty. It's like an entire Hope-style breakfast container.
Yep. We are just now stopping for a little bit of breakfast because his trainer, or no, his co-worker, sorry, actually has the other truck that is needed to unload this truck. And it takes about an hour, so truck life. I got up in the sleeper cab. What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, don't forget to give Jake a follow. Shout it out again, bud. Just
That's eBreak Jake on Instagram and YouTube.
hell yeah. Check him out, guys. Like, follow, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.